Everyone's Thor here. I'm gonna do a toy review of this Marvel Avengers Free Comic Book Day Heroclix figure 4, and there he is right there. Pretty cool. See him? Okay. So yeah, pretty good likeness, even though it's like hard to tell how small it is. But and we'll see what this. I think this is. Fast speed. Not sure how this thing works, but I guess there's something to it. Not sure how to work this thing. I don't know. I guess not. I'm not sure, really sure, but there it is. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10 just because the detail is on. This is amazing how small they made this. So yeah, pretty cool. The cape and the Thor's hammer, pretty cool. So yeah, definitely 10 out of 10. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye now.